Make the most of the outdoors with the Dometic awning. To give you the confidence and ability to travel further and stay for longer, Dometic inflatable awnings include features such as single point inflation, apex ventilation, dual pitch roof, quick pitch guy lines. Start by removing all the pegging points around the base of the awning. Then, locate the deflation points at the base of each upright. Open the valves and allow the air to escape from the airframe. Once deflated, remove the awning from the vehicle. Pull the material carefully towards the opening of the awning channel. Next, lay the awning onto its roof. Then, fold the side panels into the awning, creating a square base. Begin folding the awning towards the middle until you match the carry bag width. Place any accessories onto the awning. Begin to roll the awning towards the deflation valves, allowing any remaining air to escape. Finally, zip the bag closed and fasten the clips to compress the pack size further. Your Dometic awning is now packed up. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.